Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, we're going to go through some division fact practice, specifically the 4's facts. We'll go through 25 facts in total, and you'll have 4 seconds to answer each fact. Let's see how you do. We'll start in 3, 2, 1. 8 divided by 4. 2. 36 divided by 4. 9. 24 divided by 4. 6. 16 divided by 4. 4. 40 divided by 4. 10. 20 divided by 4. 5. 4 divided by 4. 1. 32 divided by 4. 8. 12 divided by 4. 3. 28 divided by 4. 7. 16 divided by 4. 4. 8 divided by 4. 2. 32 divided by 4. 8. 20 divided by 4. 5. 12 divided by 4. 3. 36 divided by 4. 9. 24 divided by 4. 6. 40 divided by 4. 10. 28 divided by 4. 7. 4 divided by 4. 1. 20 divided by 4. 5. 16 divided by 4. 4. 32 divided by 4. 8. 36 divided by 4. 9. 24 divided by 4. 6. So there you have it. There's some division fact practice. How'd you do? Hopefully well. And if you missed some, that's okay. Recognize the facts you need to work on and focus on those. Keep practicing and you'll have your facts down in no time. Check the description for other fact videos. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.